Yeah, you too.
Low bridge. Ooh, oh yeah, that's the right gear. Actually get some push now. God, it's so choppy on a freaking hardtail. Trying to bounce me off. Keep your feet, bro. Oh, see, it almost got me. It almost needs to be lower. Good trail, good trail. I always say that right about there too. Right as my blood is really flowing. Loosen up that grip, Justin. There you go. More forearms are gonna thank you. Woo! Yeah. Woo! Feeling that forearm pump. Yeah. Oh, sorry, bud. Whoa! Whoa! What happened? I almost just got a haircut. Holy shit!
Dropped my helmet.
Oh, dude! Wow! It caught my rim. Surprise!
Oh, it did get me.
Yeah, I know it caught me, dude. Caught me. I went up, dude. Wow. Good ride. Good ride.
Dirt feels good.
Yeah, no, this is fantastic. The limbage isn't too bad. I haven't caught anything in the shin yet, so that's good. Oh, that spooked me though. I thought I was getting my head taken off.
Yep, and I was right there like,
Oh man! All right. All right. Carry on. After you, my friend.
I'm riding that too.
Me too, bro. You too, man. Okay, jump, 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 jump. Came in hot too.